On, guys. Most people have trouble with TikTok shop listings because sometimes it gets flagged for whatever reason. Within 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can solve it. Right now, I'm looking at this one link, um, and it's a drying machine, and it's sold here at this website. And there's some troubles getting it listed on the TikTok shop, and it's probably because of a few privacy policy reasons, or there's not enough details, or there's too many details, or it's being flagged just because when you're selling dryer products like this, and then you have like descriptions that are added, like for example, like the motors, anything sensor electronic related that can cause potential hazards, even supplements that have that same type of rule, you're going to have some initial issues. The other reason could just be that like you may have issues just in general with the actual listings and confirming your product is basically that of a legitimate product. And so TikTok Shop probably has to work this out, the verification processes as well. But a very simple way to get your product listed without getting your like product banned is actually, or like flagged for anything, is you want to just simply upload your product listing, whatever that may be, and then do it um, in a minimum way. So you're going to want to actually kind of withhold all of the information possible to get the product listed. So beyond AI, portable, compact, lightweight, tumble dryer, white, right? So obviously that white color is a separate keyword. Beyond AI, portable, compact, lightweight, tumble dryer. And so I'm just going to put portable, compact, lightweight tumbler, and then I'm going to do the category under home supplies, and then I will do something, or let's see if we have household appliances, home appliances, and then I will just do household appliance parts and accessories, and then continue here. All right, and so it's going to give me an automatic description. I'm going to keep it, even though it's inaccurate. So it's going to talk about like weight of your drink, portable design, tumbler, compact size. Um, I'm just going to take out the compact size, the lightweight part of it. In fact, what I'm actually going to do is just delete this entirely, go back here to lightweight tumbler, and then I'm just going to highlight these five descriptors. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to add that to the key features. It's not even a very nice way of doing it, but we'll just do it like this. We're not going to add any variations. We'll add a retail price of $249. Quantity, say 50 pounds. Let's just say, you know, uh, I don't know, 50 pounds for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and submit for review without an image and with just the product description, without the brand. Um, and then I'm just going to choose no brand for now, and then keep it really light. And then I'm going to go ahead and submit for review. Oh, looks like there's an issue with the submission. What could that be? Oh, product listing image. So I'm just going to do this, screenshot it. Oh, sorry. Screenshot this, go into the media center. I'm going to upload this image, and then I'm just going to submit it. And then what this is going to do is it's just going to add the most basic descriptions of that listing. And then once it's approved, we go ahead and we make sure that it is can be utilized for the listing. Seems here that there's an issue with the image itself. You know what? I'm just going to upload. Interesting. Hold on. All right, so I had the lightweight tumbler saved as a web image, and I'm going to see if that's going to work. I don't know why it's not in here. I uploaded as a JPEG. That took longer than it needed to. I'm going to submit for review after we go to the hazardous materials and click no. Confirm that. Make sure that all these stars are checked off. And then let's see. That is how you do it. Congratulations. Once it's approved, it'll be visible in the product category. If there's any issues, usually stripping away more of the description and adding to it will get past that initial issue. However, if you are selling like just directly not against policy products, obviously it's not going to work just because it'll detect your images, it'll detect your keywords, it'll detect stuff like that. So doing black hat stuff like this, even though this is very, very minimal, I don't recommend it. But if you're having trouble with your listing and it's a policy related thing and you know that it's not flagging anything policy related, just go very minimum, upload everything on the minimal level, and then start adding to it after that. People don't usually do this, and then you can always optimize the and add keywords as you go on. So I hope this helps. It's very, very easy, simple thing that I use, but it works. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks. Peace.